Welcome to Practice Easy English. Common phrasal verbs with sentences. Call on. To visit someone briefly. Okay, I will call on you after 5 p.m. She plans to call on her friend to return a book. Call on. To ask someone to do something. The teacher called on James to answer the question. During the meeting, the manager called on the team to share their ideas. Call off. To cancel something. The event was called off due to bad weather. They had to call off the match because of rain. Call out. To shout or to publicly criticize someone. She called out for help when she saw the fire. The manager called out the employee for being late. Call back. To return a phone call. I'll call you back in a few minutes. She didn't call back after the interview. Call up. To phone someone or summon for service. I'll call up my friend to check if she's okay. He was called up for military service last year. Look after. To take care of someone or something. She looks after her grandmother. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? Look for. To search for something or someone. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? She's looking for a new job. Look up. To search for information or improve. I need to look up that word in the dictionary. Things are looking up for the company this year. Look out. To be careful or watchful. Look out for that car. Look out. There's a snake in the grass. Look into. To investigate. The police are looking into the robbery. We'll look into the issue and get back to you. See off. To go with someone to the station or airport to say goodbye to them. We went to the station to see off our friends. I'll see you off at the airport. See through. To realize the truth about someone or something. I can see through his lies. I saw through your plan from the very beginning. See to. To deal with or take responsibility for something. Please see to the guests while I finish cooking. He promised to see to the matter personally. See about. To arrange or to deal with something. I'll see about getting tickets for the concert. She said she would see about fixing the issue. See over. To examine or review something. Please see over the report before submitting it. Let's see over the contract before signing it. Cry out. To shout or scream loudly. The child cried out in fear during the thunderstorm. She cried out when she saw the spider. Cry over. To be upset about something. Don't cry over spilled milk. He was crying over his lost toy. Cry for. To urgently need or demand something. The baby is crying for attention. This situation cries for a solution. Cry off. To cancel or withdraw from an agreement. They cried off the meeting at the last minute. She cried off from the trip due to illness. Cry out for. To desperately need something. The project is crying out for more funding. The community is crying out for better healthcare services. Break out. To start suddenly, often used for something undesirable. A fight broke out at the concert. A fire broke out in the school building last week. Break in. To enter forcibly or interrupt. Thieves broke in and stole the jewels. I didn't mean to break in on your conversation. Break down. To stop functioning. My car broke down on the way home. The elevator broke down this morning. Break up. To end a relationship or event. They broke up after a long argument. The meeting broke up early due to the weather.